I think by now we have been through several months of the pandemic, and persons, have seen the results of that. It's in our best interest to continue to abide by and obey the measures that are put in place by the government. And as the police, we are going to continue to enforce those measures in the interests of the public.
The police have explained that
I want to commend those persons who, continue to do their best to observe the measures, but we still have some persons who are very, very much, not doing so, not showing any care, any regard at all for the public.
Boom! What's up, my beautiful people? You don't know the big head man himself, the big eyes. Once you see the head, you can't miss the face. Hey, listen, quick and fast. You ever hear them make a talk at Jamaica say, if you go to hell, and you walk up on Jamaica, you're not for worry because you're good? Lie them I tell. You ever hear them make a talk and say, we don't have no principle, we don't have no discipline, and we don't have no proper brought up, say, and them something there. Them say we break all kind of rules and all kind of regulation. Lie them I tell. When me say I lie them I tell, me mean I lie them I tell. Yo! I see something the other day down at Jamaica when me never see before. When me say never, me don't know about you. Me have 50 a year old and up. Me never see this before in my 50 a year old life. This is something new, something different. Yo! Me say, you know the curfew thing we are going? So them kind of free up a little extra time now so people can, go and go enjoy yourself so. Me da want party one night here at Jamaican. I enjoy myself. Party I go on good. Me don't know for a long time, but me I enjoy myself and Spice and Shaggy and Sean Paul have one new song when jump dum dum diddy. And me tell you say when them girls are going with it, then go on bad. Them go on bad. Me like to see. Anyways. Me come to that party and I enjoy myself, a full joy myself, The day me I go and enjoy myself, you can't dance, but yet still you want to dance and carry on the foolishness. All upon a sudden, me say everybody start shuffle. So me I say to myself, so wait. Them just get let out and them come here so them war ready. So you know what? When you see people are run, if you're not a party or anyway, once you see people are run, you have to run to. Ask question later, but just follow the crowd. So me follow the crowd. Me and some flag we follow the crowd and we head out through the gate. When we head out through the gate, me buck up on the little brother, so me and him start trees and me and say, boy, for real, anyway, Jamaican go you find problem, man. The party are going so good and come, man, and come mash up the party, man, and party are going so good. The brother said to me, say, who a fight? What kind of fight you talk about? No fight now go on nice. A curfew time. Me say wait. What? A man say a curfew time. A man say look ya. Now 11 o'clock You see for the clock strike 10:30 or 10:59, everybody a scatter. When me say scatter, me no mean nobody now turn up and hold no check. Everybody check it time and everybody a head out. Bad man a head out. Who man a head out? Yo, bro God, me I tell you something. You're onto something. Me must say this one. You're onto something. If you can get mankind, especially we what them call the unruly people them, for go on pan time, check clock, and make sure say, yo, me I tell them, me don't know, bro God, me don't know how you do it, I don't know how you do it, but me I tell you get it do and you get it do. The man them a comply with the rules and regulations like it a go to style. No, funny enough. You see when I say curfew time, believe it or not even as much as a mongrel dog not the on the road. Not even as much as a little mongrel dog you know see on the road. When there's a curfew time, everything clear, traffic clear, everything clear. You walk through places like a ghost town. And then you see the police them now come out 11:30, 11:15. You see police them at the on some special location at 10:25, 10:30, and they must start up your 10:59. They must start the work. Yo, bro, God, you're onto something. You're really onto something. Me I tell you, this is something. If you can get we unruly Jamaicans to comply with this a protocol, you must can get us to comply with something else. You understand? You're onto something great. When I say this is great because me never see this in a while history. Me never see this. And when I say no, if people then left out a party and party empty. Man, we got buckle panting. If they don't call if they buckle them, I carry them buckle with them. But nobody now stand up and take it. Nobody now stand up in the no DJ pack up, selector pack up, sound man put up box, everything. Check. Yo, Mr. Also my store then close. Then if it close a hour before or whatever, them close are 2 hours ahead. Yo, bro, got your onto something. Me must say you're onto something. And this way you're onto, it can flip the script. You can make something out of this. Same like how you get them to comply with the rules and the regulation. Same way you must put on the pressure so we can comply with some other enforcement such as murder. Do something like that when it comes to murder. Do something like that when it comes to thief. Me no know what you tell them, say. Me no know how police come out in the numbers about. Me I tell you. Me no know if it's just because them know say it's a handful them won't catch or them won't get quiet. Yo, me say man them come with all what? Man them come with all truck. For sure you man them serious. Man them come with all truck. Like you know when you go buy goat or pig. Yo, bro got your onto something. You're onto something. I mean, I tell you, this can turn out into something good because for the past here, we've been complying with the rules and the regulation. I mean, something what we're not good at. We practice. Yo, don't drop it, bro, God. Don't drop it. We have comply with the rules. They must comply with the regulation. And I think this can come out into something good. Me don't know, but I just feel like they can comply. Yo! 10:59. Who then a wish party? Where? 10:59. Everybody left out a party. People them a comply. People them a watch them time. Jalala dance. Watch if one watch what time. Yo, bro, God.
This up for you like a bullet. Hot. Them can't cool it. Time is now. I fi do it narcotics. Step to the gorilla, them it get tragic actually. Not them talk, no normally carbon it. Yellow spread out, tack it on it, italics. No, drop me now panic. Dark church, you know me born for iconic.